Hello everyone, I Dr. Pankaj Biswas am going to offer a course entitled Welding Application Technology under the MOOCs program of the MHRD. As the name implies, in this course I will try to cover the fundamental concept of residual stresses, distortions and its mitigation. Apart from this thing, I will cover analysis of welding joint subjected to static loading, and also I will cover in this course overview of the traditional or you can say industrial welding technology, especially those welding technology which are widely used in manufacturing and research industries. This course will help the participant to understand and apply this knowledge of welding in practice for various industrial applications. It will also encourage and help the academic participants to increase the research interest in the field of welding. In this present course, the primary focus is on basic fundamental of different important welding processes, welding induced residual stresses, distortion and static analysis of welding joint and its importance in the field of research and industries. Now we know welding is a joining process which is an unavoidable technology in most of the manufacturing sector. So it is such a topics in which you will get the taste of most of the science and engineering subject. Knowledge of almost all science subjects like physics, chemistry, mathematics and engineering subjects like solid mechanics, thermal science, fluid mechanics, etc. are highly essential to understand the fundamental concept of welding technology. It is observed that in manufacturing industry, over 30% expenditure is spent on welding. Welding has significant application in various manufacturing sectors like aerospace, automobiles, shipbuilding, railway, etc. It plays very important and crucial role in service life of structure. Now I am going to describe about the brief overview of this course. The brief overview of the course content can be stated like: this course will cover the industrial relevance of welding processes. It will give the fundamental knowledge of various important welding processes, which includes most of the important fusion welding process, solid state welding process like friction stir welding process, then friction welding process, and it also covers solid liquid state welding processes like soldering and brazing. It will also cover the important and application of all these welding techniques. This course will highlight the safety precautions to be followed in different welding techniques. The major drawback of welding process are the weld-induced residual stresses and distortion. This course will cover the basic concept of welding residual stress and distortion. In this course, the concept of different residual stress and distortion measurement techniques also will be provided. This course also will provide the fundamental concept of residual stress and distortion mitigation techniques. This course, moreover, comprises the basic fundamental concept on design and analysis of and transverse plate welded joints, analysis of eccentrically loaded welded joint, analysis of welded joint subjected to bending moment. So these are all introductory things of this course.